All right, time for some Finally Friday birthdays here in the 4 states, and we begin in Branaugh with Brexton McDonald celebrating birthday number 2. Brexton, a very happy birthday to you. Hope you don't get too muddy out there.
And we wish a very happy and special birthday to Hanley Beckford, Nevada, Missouri native. Look at that smile on Hanley. Happy birthday.
And we've got Rosalind Walker in Columbus celebrating birthday number 6. A very happy birthday to you, Rosalind.
And I think everyone's going to like this name. A very happy and special birthday to Cash Felt. Happy birthday, Cash.
Cash turning 7 this year. Presley Harris in Jasper celebrating birthday number 9. Very happy birthday to you, Presley.
And we've got someone in their 2nd year of double digits, Savannah Jo Stevens. Happy birthday, Savannah.
And we've got Gage O'Banion celebrating birthday number 12 in Arma. And this comes with love from Mama and the whole family. Happy birthday.
And to Frontenac, Kansas native, Emily McPherson. She turns 23 years young today. Happy birthday, Emily.
And we head just south to Pittsburgh for Megan Berger celebrating birthday number 27 today. Megan, a happy birthday to you.
And now we cross over the border, just right over the border to Webb City, to Cody Morgan, who also turns 33 years young. Happy birthday, Cody.
And we head over to Girard now for Cleo Allen Jones celebrating birthday number 66. Cleo, a very happy 66th birthday to you in Girard.
And on to Donna Vietz. Happy birthday, Donna.
We've also got another birthday in the bus with Tessa Clark celebrating a birthday today. Happy birthday to you, Tessa.
And another happy birthday to Margaret Phelan. Chris, I'm sure you can agree with me. I'm really digging those glasses.
Absolutely. Very cool, very stylish. We've also got Jennifer Burton down in Baxter Springs celebrating a birthday. And Jennifer is one of our news assistants, Trevor Lewis's cousin, and promotion manager Vance Lewis's niece. So a very happy birthday to you, Jennifer.
And to Dale and Sandra Earl, who's celebrating their 51st wedding anniversary. Man, over half a century of love. That is awesome. Happy anniversary, guys.
And one of the many folks who keeps this station running for us, Leona Sherwood, and our accounts payable department celebrating a birthday today. Leona, a very happy birthday, and thank you for helping keep KOAM TV as awesome as it is. And our birthday list continues. We've got Josh Waters turning 28. He did so yesterday. And yesterday was also his daughter's 7th birthday. So, wow, just a big celebration in the Waters house. Joanne Town turning 85 in Iola. And then we flip that and we get Terry Town celebrating birthday number 58 in Iola. And Terry is Joanne's son. And then last but certainly not least, Jack and Christy Ford celebrating their 30th wedding anniversary. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all of you celebrating today. Now, if you'd like to get your birthday or anniversary on the air with us, Jalen is going to tell you how you do it.
You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club.
You're skipping. See, Jalen hasn't settled in yet. It's all right, though. But he's not wrong. You can still be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. But what you can do is send your birthday or anniversary to those fancy email addresses on your screen. That's birthdays with an S at KOAMTV.com or birthdays with an S at KOAMNewsNow.com. Be sure to include their name, of course, their age if you'd like, their hometown, and what we really love is to see all these awesome pictures you guys take. So make sure you submit those for us. And now, you can go to KOAMNewsNow.com, sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. When you do so, you get some really cool deals from local businesses. In addition, you get a nice little birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So head over to KOAMNewsNow.com, sign up for the birthday